Have you ever wondered about the possibility of experiencing joy in your workplace and discovering effective strategies to reduce stress while on the job? Joy at work, stress reduction strategies, isn't just about the daily grind, it's an exploration of how cultivating a joyful environment can be a transformative journey towards enhancing your emotional well-being, boosting productivity, and ultimately leading to a happier and more fulfilling work life. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. How can something as ordinary as work become a source of joy, emotional balance, and well-being? Let's embark on a captivating journey into the world of joy at work and its profound influence on your relationship with your job and your overall happiness. At the core of joy at work, stress reduction strategies, lies the recognition that the workplace can be a source of both stress and joy. The strategies outlined in this guide focus on promoting joy and reducing stress. Joy at work fosters emotional well-being. When employees find satisfaction and contentment in their tasks, they experience less stress and emotional turbulence. A supportive work environment is essential for joy. Employers and co-workers who promote a positive, collaborative atmosphere contribute to a sense of emotional well-being and job satisfaction. Efficient time management and organization are vital components of stress reduction. When you can manage your tasks effectively, you reduce the likelihood of stress and emotional overwhelm. Joy at work often involves mindfulness. Being present and focused on your work can lead to a greater sense of satisfaction, reducing stress and promoting emotional balance. The act of finding joy at work often leads to a deeper sense of self-worth. When you find meaning and purpose in your tasks, you're more likely to experience a sense of emotional fulfillment and job satisfaction. Healthy work-life balance is a critical element in stress reduction. Recognizing the importance of time for relaxation, personal interests, and self-care can significantly reduce stress and promote emotional well-being. Joy at work can be contagious. When you find joy in your tasks, you often inspire joy in others, creating a positive work culture and fostering a sense of well-being and collaboration. Moreover, joy at work is a tool for personal growth. It encourages you to explore strategies for stress reduction, productivity, and self-care, ultimately leading to a more balanced and joyful work life. In conclusion, joy at work, stress reduction strategies, is an invitation to prioritize joy and emotional well-being in your workplace, creating an environment where stress is reduced, productivity is increased, and happiness is promoted. It's a reminder that joy can be found in your daily tasks, by nurturing a sense of emotional well-being and finding fulfillment in your job. By incorporating the strategies for joy at work into your professional life, you can unlock a lasting source of emotional well-being, reduced stress, and a profound sense of joy that enriches your work life. So, with each task you complete, every moment of mindfulness, and the joy you find in your work, envision it as an opportunity to experience joy at work, promoting emotional well-being, productivity, and a profound sense of happiness, one task at a time. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.